Finish the bitwise and rule 6. We can find the size of pointer using size of pointer. We can find the size of pointer. Example, size of int. Finish the rule 6.
Yes.
Yeah, size of integer is how much?
2 bytes.
2.
Good. Integer size of integer is 2 bytes. Now size of int star. Tell me what is size of int star? Integer pointer. How many bytes it occupies?
2 bytes.
Very good. Okay, that depends upon the data. What is the size of integer range is how much?
6.
Integer range.
minus 32,000.
Very good. Minus 32,768 plus 32,767. Yeah. Int star range is how much?
0 to 6,000.
0 to
65,535.
Int star nothing but address. Address range only, right? Yeah. To store the address, 2 bytes is required. Example, size of character. Size of character. What is the size of character?
1 byte.
1 byte. Good. Okay. Now size of char star.
65,000.
Character. Same, right?
65,535.
That is the range,
2 bytes.
right? 2 bytes it occupies. Why? Because pointers range is all pointer has same range. That is 65,535. Character pointer or integer pointer, whatever the pointer it is, that is range of integer address only. That's why if it is a integer address or character address or any address, that is 2 bytes it occupies. Size of float is 4 byte. Size of float star. Size of float star. Size of float is 4 bytes. Size of float is 4 bytes. Size of float star. How many bytes?
2 bytes.
2 bytes.
2 bytes.
Size of double. Tell me, size of double is how much? 8.
8 bytes.
8 bytes.
Size of double star.
2
2
bytes.
bytes.
Yeah, size of void, how many bytes?
0.
Not error, that is 0 byte. Size of void is error. Size of void is error. Size of void star. Void star is called void pointer. Tomorrow class will discuss void star. Okay, size of void star is 2 bytes. Void star also pointer it is. That is 2 bytes. Okay, we can find the size of integer or size of any address. We can find the pointer address, pointer range using size of operator. It returns the size of pointer. Whatever the pointer it is, integer pointer or character pointer or float pointer or double pointer, whatever the pointer. Pointer means address. Address range is 0 to 65,535. If it is a what type of pointer it is, it occupies 2 bytes only. Why? Because that address range is 0 to 65,535. 0 to 65,535. That's why address range is this range. That's why it takes 2 bytes. Clear it is? Yeah. Next. Okay. Today in this pointers topic, what we discussed, right? Only we discuss. See, what is pointer? We discussed, right? What is pointer? Pointer is a variable. The definition is what? Pointer is a variable. Pointer is a variable. It stores the address of another variable. That is the definition. Pointer is a variable. It stores the address of another variable. Okay. Pointer is a variable. It stores the address of another variable. Okay. Now, what is the use of pointer? Tell me, guys. What is the use of pointer? Next question. What is the use of pointer? Pointer stores the address of another variable. Pointer stores the address of another variable. What is the use of pointer? Huh? Yeah, Varalakshmi.
We can point to other variables.
Pointing means storing address, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the use of storing address?
We can get the value at the given address. Right?
Sorry.
We can get the value at the given address, sir.
Good. Variables, through variables also we can access, right?
We can get address faster, so execution will be faster.
Very good. That is the use of pointer. Okay. Pointer means using pointer, address only, storing address. If you store the address, what is the use? We can access the data. We can access the data through pointer very fast way, right? That is the use of pointer. Example, I will tell you. See, I will give you one person, right? Go and meet Subbara on some location. Example, Kukatpalli. Go and meet Subbara in Kukatpalli. Okay, in Kukatpalli, 100 houses are there. Assume 100 houses are there in Kukatpalli. Go and meet Subbarao in that Kukatpalli area. If I say, that is difficult to find out him in this 100 houses. Yes or no? Are you following what I'm saying? I did not give any address. 100 houses are there in Kukatpalli. Go and meet Subbara. I said, right? I did not give exact location of Subbara where he will stay. Okay. See what you will do. You will knock the door in first house. Whether the Subbarao is there or not, you will find out. Okay. Next house, second house, you will check it. Okay, whether Subbarao is there or not. In third house, like this. In 100 houses, you have to check it whether Subbarao is there or not. Okay, understood? We have to check all addresses. You have to check all the houses. If I did not give the address, we have to check all the houses. If I give an address, example, go and meet Subbarao in that location, house number 2-310, that Shantinagar Colony or something I have given. Okay, now if you give an address or if you give a location, exact location, you can directly go there and we can access that data, or we can meet him directly. Without address, that is difficult to find out him. With the address, what will happen? We can go there and we can get the data from that address. What is the main use of pointer? Pointers use is fast access. Okay, using pointer, we can increase the speed of the program. Clear it is, guys? You understood, right? What is the use of pointer and what is a pointer, right? Using pointer, concept of pointer is not storing address. That storing address is a functionality. Pointer stores the address. That is the functionality of pointer. What is the use of pointer? But that is fast access. Using pointers, we can increase the speed of the program. Clear it is, right? Yeah. Okay, today session is over. See, total 24 days, guys. 24 into 2 hours, that is 48 hours.